Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the eclectic and effortlessly chic style of one of Bollywood star Sania Malhotra. So, let's get into it. For instance, she has dazzled in Sabyasachi's heavily embroidered lehengas, which she pairs with statement jewelry pieces that often include mantikas and chunky jhumkas, adding a regal touch to her ensemble. Saris are another staple in her traditional wardrobe. Whether it's a silk kanjivaram with bold zari work or a lightweight chiffon adorned with delicate prints, the actress carries each with grace. She is known to experiment with the draping style and blouse designs, incorporating modern cuts or offbeat drapes that bring a contemporary flair to this classic attire. Her choice of accessories, often including heritage jewelry or vintage-inspired clutches, complements the traditional aesthetic while adding a unique, personalized touch. In contrast to her traditional choices, her contemporary fashion is marked by a distinct sense of boldness and innovation. She frequently turns to designers like Masaba Gupta and Anita Dongre, known for their modern silhouettes and fusion styles. Pantsuits are a recurring favorite, where Sania's sartorial confidence shines through. She opts for tailored, structured suits in vibrant colors or patterns, often paired with minimalist heels and statement earrings, projecting a powerful yet refined image. Dresses are another highlight of her modern wardrobe. From fluid, bohemian-inspired maxi dresses to edgy, asymmetrical cuts, her selection is diverse and experimental. She embraces prints and textures, choosing everything from bold florals to sleek metallics, showcasing her versatility. Her dresses are often styled with quirky accessories, such as oversized belts or avant-garde handbags, adding a playful element to her polished looks. Even in her off-duty moments, her fashion remains effortlessly stylish. Her casual wear often features high-waisted jeans paired with crop tops or graphic tees, a combination that resonates with her youthful and vibrant personality. She frequently opts for oversized jackets or blazers, creating a chic, layered look that is both comfortable and fashionable. Footwear plays a significant role in her casual outfits, where she alternates between chunky sneakers for a sporty vibe and classic ankle boots for a more polished touch. Her choice of accessories is as versatile as her wardrobe. She has a knack for selecting pieces that elevate her outfits, whether it's through a pair of trendy sunglasses or a bold statement necklace. Her handbags, ranging from elegant clutches to quirky, artistic designs, are often the focal point of her outfits. She also shows a preference for bohemian-inspired jewelry and belts, which add a distinct edge to her style. Her hair and makeup are integral to her fashion statement. The actress is known for her natural curls, which she styles in various ways, from voluminous and free-flowing to sleek and tied up in chic buns. Her makeup choices usually balance her outfits, opting for either bold lips or dramatic eyes, but rarely both, ensuring her look is sophisticated yet striking. What sets Sania Malhotra apart is her ability to seamlessly transition between vastly different styles while maintaining her unique sense of fashion. Her choices reflect a blend of tradition and modernity, comfort and glamour, simplicity and sophistication. Sania's approach to fashion is fearless and imaginative, making her a muse for designers and a style icon for her fans. Her ever-evolving wardrobe is a testament to her dynamic persona and her flair for turning every outfit into a statement piece, embodying both elegance and edge with unparalleled ease. The actress consistently brings a blend of sophistication and avant-garde flair. She gravitates towards gowns that marry structure with fluidity, often favoring silhouettes that highlight her petite frame while exuding a larger-than-life presence. Her penchant for mixing classic elements with contemporary designs is evident in her choice of evening gowns that often include unexpected details, such as asymmetrical hemlines, sheer panels, or bold necklines. This juxtaposition highlights her willingness to experiment while retaining an air of timeless elegance. Her festive fashion is a celebration of colors, textures, and traditional craftsmanship. During festivals and special occasions, she embraces ethnic wear with a modern twist. Her go-to ensembles include vibrant anarkalis adorned with intricate embroidery, and floor-length kurtas paired with palazzos, reflecting a blend of comfort and opulence. Designers like Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla and Tarun Tahiliani, known for their intricate work and luxurious fabrics, frequently feature in her festive wardrobe. A memorable festive look saw Sania in a striking Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla lehenga, resplendent with mirror work and intricate beadwork, paired with a delicate dupatta draped gracefully over her shoulder. She accessorized with antique jhumkas and a mantika, enhancing the traditional vibe while her makeup remained understated, allowing the outfit to take center stage. Her ability to harmonize elaborate ensembles with subtle styling elements showcases her nuanced approach to fashion. Her street style is a testament to her ability to transform everyday wear into sartorial statements. She effortlessly blends high street fashion with designer pieces, creating looks that are both approachable and aspirational. Her street style often includes distressed jeans paired with oversized sweaters or chic blazers, offering a perfect balance between casual and polished. One of her standout street style moments featured her in a pair of distressed high-waisted jeans, a graphic tee, and a tailored blazer. She completed the look with chunky white sneakers and layered necklaces, exuding an effortless schoolgirl vibe. Her street style is a masterclass in how to infuse personality into daily wear, making it stylish yet functional. The actress also has a flair for bohemian fashion, often seen in flowing maxi dresses, kaftans, and tunic tops that exude a relaxed, free-spirited vibe. Her love for prints, especially paisley, florals, and ethnic patterns, is evident in her boho chic outfits. She once donned an Anamika Khanna kaftan dress, adorned with intricate embroidery and tassels, paired with gladiator sandals and layered bangles. Her natural curls were left loose, adding to the laid-back yet stylish appeal. Sania's bohemian choices highlight her versatility and her ability to embrace and elevate different fashion narratives. Sania's interpretation of power dressing goes beyond the conventional. She redefines it with a feminine touch, often incorporating elements like bold colors, exaggerated shoulders, and tailored fits that exude confidence and authority. Her power dressing choices include sharply tailored suits, often in unconventional shades like mustard yellow or electric blue, paired with sleek stilettos or edgy ankle boots. In one of her striking power dressing looks, she wore a mustard yellow pantsuit by Nikhil Thampi, featuring a fitted blazer with oversized lapels and wide-leg trousers. The look was completed with black stilettos and a sleek ponytail, exuding both sophistication and a fearless sense of style. Her power dressing showcases her ability to embody strength and elegance simultaneously. Sania is also a proponent of sustainable fashion, often choosing outfits from designers who emphasize ethical practices and eco-friendly materials. Her makeup was kept natural, and she styled her hair in soft waves, allowing the simplicity and beauty of the sustainable fabric to shine through. Her commitment to sustainability highlights her conscious approach to fashion and her support for environmentally friendly practices. The actress often experiments with fusion wear, blending Western cuts with Indian motifs or combining traditional textiles with modern silhouettes. This fusion aesthetic is a staple in her wardrobe, where she can be seen wearing Indo-Western dresses, dhoti pants with crop tops, or saris paired with contemporary blouses. She wore a silk sari with a modern twist, featuring an off-shoulder blouse and a belt cinching the waist, giving the traditional sari a contemporary edge. She paired this with statement earrings and metallic heels, creating a look that was both innovative and rooted in tradition. Her fusion fashion reflects her ability to merge different cultural influences, creating unique and eclectic ensembles. The actress' fashion journey is a dynamic and ever-evolving tapestry, rich with bold experiments, timeless elegance, and a profound appreciation for both tradition and innovation. Her choices reflect a deep understanding of fashion's transformative power, allowing her to express her multifaceted personality through her wardrobe. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Sania Malhotra's fashion choices, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.